Hey guys, back with another video. Hope you guys have been enjoying this build series I've been doing. If you have any suggestions or any recommendations on how to improve my videos or what you guys want to see, let me know. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe, and here you go.
Even with the highs, blessed times, golden vibes, you can't hide what's going through. We can roll around, beat the town, smoke some herb, speak the word, drink a brew. Even with the highs, the best of times, golden vibes, you can't hide what you're going through. Underneath vanilla sky.
Is it sad that I'd rather hustle? Get this money on the double. You don't get it. It's cryptic for the simple-minded. The type don't see the future even if they right behind it. So I'm chilly willy when talking about dreams to most folk. Cause a million seems like a billion when you came up dirt poor. And that's like talking about the summer to someone that only sings snow. It ain't rocket science, either it's a dud or it blow. Damn, I wanna make some hard decisions. Like, should I really get a driver when I cop a Bentley? Is that $1,000 suit worth it cause it's vintage? If I bring two women with me, does that mean I'm pimping? Maybe. Did the cufflinks give it away or the mink on display? No hesitation to pay, make reservations to play while most work. I'm in pursuit of happiness, I'm tired of hurt.
So we can roll around, beat the town, smoke some herb, speak the word, drink a brew.
Almost, man.
Even with the highs, the best of times, golden vibes, you can't hide what you're going through. Underneath vanilla sky.
I just wanna go to Africa, find the meaning of life and try to master the art of meditation, the purest concentration. Cause all this weed and drink I pour might cause me complications. But for now we spilling drops all on the kitchen counter, breaking down God's green earth, fight for what we had first. They knocked the nose off the Sphinx so we can't tell. Could've been kings and queen, but now we pumping sales. So fuck out of here with your undercover ways, snaking in the grass, looking to get paid, fade to black. When I'm trying to get my peace of mind, let my girl massage my temple to unlock my shine. Just a matter of time, she say that I will become the man that I'm supposed to be. I put my faith in the hands of God, even though time is hard, I'm happy just to be.
So we can roll around, beat the town, smoke some herb, speak the word, drink a brew.
Hey, pour up a little bit, shawty, goddamn. Shit fucked up about you, you know.
Even with the highs, the best of times, golden vibes, you can't hide what you're going through.
Still can't run from that shit.
Underneath vanilla sky. Like a gear rapper. All I need to know is where the bread at. Think about some moves to make, right some wrongs, build a great, flashing lights, pass the dice, let me roll reverend, hope I hit 7. Baby need a new pair of shoes. If I don't get it, tell me what we're gonna do. We can roll around, beat the town, smoke some herb, speak the word, drink a brew. Even with the highs, the best of times, golden vibes, you can't hide what you're going through. Underneath vanilla sky.
Oh shit! Who you in here for? Come here, motherfucker! Sit your motherfucking ass down! Come here, motherfucker! Hell! Don't run!
Lord, let us party tonight. Cause tomorrow don't mean that we ball. Lord, let us party tonight.
our problems won't let us go. We roll, grind, head in the cloud, living life the best that we know. I just wanna see my friends in big body Benzes, pay they bills, feed they kids. On occasion, we hit the club or go vacation in places we never seen. That'd be amazing. We all dreamers, not petty schemers. Although you think, know you racist, know you hate me. You too anxious to up and shoot me. That shit so stupid. Look how they do me. This my last night. Come and scoop me. Singing. Lord, let us party tonight. Cause tomorrow don't mean that we fall. Lord, let us party tonight. Cause tomorrow they might kill us all. So we drink and we smoke. Cause our problems won't let us go. We roll, grind, head in the cloud, living life the best that we know. I just wanna celebrate in the fact we made it to the birds from the pavement. Ain't no placement for congregations. When you cool, but you blazing out on the corner, not marijuana, Glock with no safety, catching cases, bullets straight. Killed a kid just the other day. Why you shooting? That shit so stupid. Can't on the block or the stoop and you gain the world just to lose it. I feel your struggle. Pop's a hustler, ain't never hug you. Mama, say it like your daddy. She couldn't love it. It's fucked up when you're moving but scared of losing. Before you lose it, put down the tool. I'ma scoop you. Sing. Lord, let us party tonight. Cause tomorrow don't mean that we fall. Lord, let us party tonight. Cause tomorrow they might kill us all. So we drink and we smoke. Cause our problems won't let us go. We roll, grind, head in the cloud, living life the best that we know. Singing, Lord, let us party tonight. It's our party and we fly we want to. Higher than the pain that we go through. Celebrate the life that we might lose. If I don't see you again, it's our party and we fly we want to. Higher than the pain that we go through. Celebrate the life that we might lose. If I don't see you again.
See, it's the road less traveled, the mountain unclimbed. That moment when you're no longer a part of the pack. It's when you're willing to take that necessary step into greatness. What separates you? What makes you great? It's better when they doubt you, and you prove them wrong. It's better when you make a name worth saying. It's better this way. And like that, we blessings to everyone and everything that helped us along the way. Be grateful for being here.
Look, ain't every flower in that concrete blooming. Never walked through bloomings, it was glooming. Dropping numbers for a feature, Western Union with my partner. I was trying to get them bourbons on some choppers. Riding dirty through the city like I got you. Everything I had about you, blazing fire. I'm gonna quit when I caught me a couple brides. It got hot up in that drive. I got tired of sweating bullets like one day I got a bullet. Yeah, back against the wall, my ego turned into a bullet. I ain't moving, I ain't budging. I got buzzing with no budget. Blogger said I had it next. I was standing next to nothing. Conversations getting deeper, growing further from my people. Lost my love of life in high school, I always knew she was a keeper. I was lost since, double cross bitch. Now I'm CrossFit. Had to work a jelly for an outfit. Outskirts know me by my middle name. Ain't no one to blame. 20 down, bust it down with the game. Everything, man.
Breaking bread, paying dues, that's what got me through. Stacking hundreds till they blue, that's what got me through. Doing what a king do, that's what got me through. Pulling stunts with the crew, that's what got me through. 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 Bitch, that's what got me through. That's what got me through. That's what got me through. Play the win, making moves, that's what got me through. Pushing that maximum with no cashing up. Fresh so I ain't fastened up my belt. Back then I was jamming myself like, who the fuck gon' tell me I ain't gon' be one of the best that they ever heard? Sipping 211s on the curb, roll a dime sack for that herb and blow it down. But you know about that great hind on I-20, off the poach, out of pen, selling CDs outside of Magic City. That's dedication, preparation, my presentation, two-player made, clocking in like Flavor Flav. I sell a lemon stand lemonade, my voice is bubble told, boosted fade, turn to all even. Grandma think I'm smoking with the junkies cause I'm 160 something barely eating. But that prime time flow, when you been up like 2 days. Trap highs, making beats for the low. $50 here, $100 there, but when you're dead broke, everything goes. Thank God for that place to stay in them showers. Even if they cold, them nice young women that cook me a plate for free. Even if they hoes, so I don't take for granted steak and shrimp. Leave a healthy tip on the side. For all the times God showed me love, even when I couldn't pay my tithes. Breaking bread, paying dues, that's what got me through. Stacking hundreds till they blue, that's what got me through. Doing what a king do, that's what got me through. Pulling stunts with the crew, that's what got me through. 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 Yes, that's what got me through. That's what got me through. That's what got me through. Play the wind, making moves, that's what got me through.
Late night talking like every night, more like every day we was on a mission. To get up in the mansion, not off in the prison, ever represent that sippin' like we post to pimp. Take everything I love, put it on my shoulders, champions told it. Anything stood in our way while we tryna build, got crushed and folded. That's some, that's all opponents, writing rhymes and bending corners. Give me 50 feet, you all up on me, cause I don't believe you when you say you want it. And it's bigger than just trying to get it when you wanna get it right. When plotting on how to be the kids like fighting for your life. When the choice is what means most, the rent of the lights. We all in the dark, begging for sparks in case either way was the day or the night. And some of them troubles just ain't worth the fight, but this is my plight. This for the niches, I need a witness. We having church tonight, I guess that I'm doing alright. And thank God for good friends and cousins, cause I could've been out here struggling. Talking about my shoulda, coulda, woulda, having nothing. When my nothing turn to something, best believe you gonna see. No matter how good I make it look, it ain't easy being me, OG. What's up?
Better believe it, y'all.
DatPiff.com world premiere.
I've been down so long, I can't be still. I can't be still. I can't be still. Been calling out for your name, heaven, it can't be still. No, it can't be still. No, I've been down so long, I can't be still. Said I can't be still, no. Been calling out for your name, heaven, it can't be still. No, it can't be still.
Mic check 1, 2. Anybody out there listening to my pains and my disposition? I'm on an impossible mission, trying to make something out of nothing before the government come and crush it. Ain't enough weed and codeine you can pour me to keep me buzzing. Shout to burning Palo Santo to clear the air. Lay some crystals out even if my energy ain't really there. I'm thankful that she shelf. I'm more concerned with a big house and a nice car, but she don't care. But I'm an alpha male, so I grind. And for the acres of mule, I won't mind. Ain't nothing free in life, they would've told me. As a newborn, I could barely walk, trying to chase $1 on Easter Sunday. Daddy pop my collar like be a player and don't fall victim to being broke. Them white folk want you down and poke, so getting money, that's all I know. Ain't been to the doctor for a physical in a minute. I'm sure my liver probably shot. Ain't no sleeping if you own it. Trying to keep up with the Joneses. Yeah, it's lonely at the top, but the view is beautiful. In the morning, to tell the truth, I miss my family. Ain't spoke to my mom in weeks. I promised that I'd buy a new house the next time that we speak. So I'ma hit the road like a flat tire, run these brakes till they squeak. And I'ma pimp what I can from Def Jam, cause I know my worth ain't cheap. Y'all can't sell me no dream. I done been down the night, wrong. If happiness is a tour bus that's a far ways from homeless, that's a far way from where they want me. Shucking, jiving for a piece of change, these niggas do whatever for the shine. But I can't do the same.
Time, you can't find the time, maybe we should quit joking. I can't stay the same, I can't play a game, I am fresh to the tokens. I will follow you to hell and back, but lately I don't know where you're going. It's a different direction. I am sick of finessing, just to get some love, for the sake of us. Really, I'm the plug, really, I'm your drug, but you don't take enough for me, vitamin D. I'm too old to play hide and seek. I can't find you or your closet freak. Where my girl at? Yeah, I love you so much. I've been putting in these hours, everything is for us. I've been living pretty quick, I've been moving in a rush, but that is not a reason for you giving up. I miss the small things, like just laying on your lap. When you would say that I'm too skinny, I would say that that's too fat. Trying to get you out my mind, but my heart is where you're at. I think you'll be there forever, like a tattoo on my back. There used to be emotion, now we just floating in the ocean. Like, do I even get you wet? Are you just going through the motions? I'm drinking whiskey only straight, I'm taking shots like it's a potion. I thought I was your only one, when did I get a demotion? I never been to Las Vegas, but I've been fearing and loathing. I cannot wear the shirts you bought me, because I feel you in my clothing. And when I try to go to sleep, memories keep my eyes open. You can't even say a word, I think your silence has spoken. You know I can't keep doing this forever, if it's just me. You told me you'd always be honest. I thought we were in this shit together. Now I can't find you. Yeah. Where my girl at? Where my pearl at? I ain't even fucking with these hoes, I want my world back. Girl, you got me barking up a tree like where my squirrel at? I want you with your toes in the air, now let me curl that. Where my girl at? Where my pearl at? I ain't even fucking with these hoes, I want my world back. Girl, you got me barking up a tree like where my squirrel at? I want you with your toes in the air, now let me curl that. Trapping that cotton, it cannot be forgotten. Our culture is popping, creating more profit. They still wanna adopt us, America played us. Took our book out they pages, get the fuck out my pockets and weighing my options. Get me weighing my options, we do not want no problems. They won't look at the pattern, saying Black Lives Matter doesn't mean yours don't. White privilege ain't the issue, how you using it is wrong. Why you listen to our songs. If you gon' treat our melodies like a felony, racism, yeah, still alive. Or we made it up. What the fuck is you telling me? Broke us up. We won't talk about the 70s. Fuck Reagan, we won't talk about the 80s. All these years of conditioning. So I can't blame them when they start acting crazy. I can't blame them when they cop a Mercedes. Got a stunt in that Camaro. Spent 300 on the barrel. Ancestors did the work. Put that cotton in a barrel. Trapping that cotton. Trapping that cotton. It cannot be forgotten. Our culture is popping. Creating more profit. They still wanna adopt this. America played us. How this country the greatest. Ask Henry A. Wallace. I'm weighing my options. Get me weighing my options. We do not want no problems. Square root of a racist nigga. Well, a system that hates a nigga. Public news degrading nigga. Private prison enslaving nigga. How they even got locks for that? But we still getting shot for that. Do you see my face or a hockey mask? America's nightmares, not Freddy or Jason. It's a black man with his fist up pacing. I think we often forget our worth. A small percentage influence the earth to the point where we're doing it first. Every time for the love, for the vine, appropriated, then it's fine. Culture vulture swooping down before you get offended. Listen, I know we're all contradictions, but equal shouldn't have conditions. Before we had a pot to piss in, we was trapping that cotton, trapping that cotton. It cannot be forgotten, the culture is popping, creating more profit. They still won't adopt this. America played us. Took our book out their pages. Get the fuck out my pockets and weighing my options. Get me weighing my options. We do not want no problems.